Welcome back to Everyday Word Chat. I'm Aliner, and today we're diving into a word that's reshaping our digital world.
Hi everyone, I'm Charles. Today's word is algorithm. You hear it constantly these days, especially when people talk about social media.
Indeed, so Charles, what exactly is an algorithm?
An algorithm is essentially a step-by-step procedure for solving a problem or completing a task. The word comes from the name of a Persian mathematician, Al-Khwarizmi, through medieval Latin and French.
Fascinating etymology. In modern usage, we typically encounter it in computing contexts, where it refers to instructions that tell computers how to process information.
Precisely. For example, the search engine's algorithm determines which websites appear at the top of your results.
Or consider this. Social media platforms use sophisticated algorithms to curate content for each user's feed.
That's a perfect illustration of how algorithms shape our daily digital experiences. Here's another. The bank implemented a new algorithm to detect fraudulent transactions more efficiently.
What strikes me is how this rather technical term has entered everyday conversation, particularly among older professionals adapting to digital transformation.
Absolutely, people often say things like, I don't understand why the algorithm keeps showing me these advertisements.
It's become somewhat of a catch all explanation for how technology makes decisions, whether we fully comprehend the mechanics or not.
True, though it's worth noting that algorithms aren't inherently mysterious, they're simply sets of rules, albeit increasingly complex ones.
So, to summarize, an algorithm is a systematic procedure for solving problems, particularly in computing, where it guides how systems process and present information.
Well said, Eliner. Understanding this term helps us better grasp how our digital world operates.
Thanks for joining us today. Keep exploring words with us.